Claire, I'm back from the store.
Hey Claire, back so soon?
It wasn't that long of a distance. I figured it didn't take as long as I said it would.
Yeah, you said you would be back in 30 minutes. Now it's 4 p.m., not even 20 minutes ago.
What?
What? It was 3:40 when you left. I can do addition.
No, Claire, it's almost 7:30. What are you talking about?
Are you blind? My clock clearly says 4.
Are you blind? The sun is setting on a December. If it were to be 4, there would be a completely different view.
Oh my goodness, you're right.
That's the 9th time your old trinket has failed on you.
You're right.
Looks like we'll have to use the scientific method. The scientific method is a problem-solving strategy used by scientists, biologists, and even everyday people. It is used in sciences such as biology and psychology, and even in normal events and circumstances, just without conscious effort. Its goal is to find reliable, supported, and logical answers to a question or a problem. It comes in 6 basic steps, which will be listed right over there. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis, make a prediction, test the prediction, and evaluate the results. The first step is to make an observation, which of course is as easy as it sounds. Just look at it. Claire, look, it stopped! Wait, now it's going again? How long has it stopped? I don't know, maybe 5 minutes? Oh dear. My observation. The clock is malfunctioning. It stops for a while and then continues, which makes the time inaccurate. So we can cross that out. The second step is to ask a question. Of course, we are observing a problem, so we have to be aware of the unknown. In this case, I don't understand. What is wrong with this clock? I don't know. I'm no witch. Quit asking me. A more proper question would be, what's making the clock start and stop working over and over? The third step is a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a potential answer to a question, an educated guess, a testable explanation, a starting point to finding the answer to a question. Any ideas? I'm not sure. Maybe the battery's dead or damaged? Could be possible, but if a battery is dead, wouldn't it stop working altogether? I've got a friend in California. They had the same problem. Turns out their battery was almost dead. Could be the same issue here. Ooh, sure. Don't forget, these are possibilities. We're not sure why my clock is acting weird, so my hypothesis is the battery is almost dead or damaged. The fourth step is to make predictions. This is the outcome that we expect if the hypothesis is proven to be correct. Do we have any new batteries? No, I think we used them all. Can you go back to the store and get some new ones? That way we can replace the batteries and it'll work again? Okay, fine. See you later. In this case, our prediction is to replace the old batteries with new and full ones so that the clock will stop malfunctioning. The fifth step is to test the predictions or to prove or not prove the hypothesis. Of course, we need to see if our prediction will come to be. In this case, we are going to replace the batteries, then wait 1 to 2 days. Then one of 2 things will pop up. The clock does not malfunction, and it supports the hypothesis. That means it is likely correct. Or, the clock does malfunction, which rejects the hypothesis, meaning it is likely incorrect. Here, what are we going to do?
Well, my plan is to check on it tomorrow and see if it's on the right time. Can you be here once I check?
Yeah, I'll be here before I leave.
Well, in a quick transfer, the next day came, and this is where we will finally conduct the final step. Evaluate the results. We will observe the clock one more time before coming up with a clear result. Either the hypothesis is supported, or the hypothesis is not supported. In the case of the toaster, the hypothesis would be supported if the clock stayed the same overnight. However... Okay, here we go. 6 a.m.? That doesn't seem right.
Yeah, almost 8:30.
Okay, so it wasn't the batteries.
All that wait for nothing? Ugh.
The batteries did not cause the clock to malfunction. However, when a hypothesis has been proven, it does mean that it can likely be correct, but it doesn't conclude anything. There's the chance that there was a flaw in the test that caused the hypothesis to not be supported. If this happens, we should discard the hypothesis and make a new one. In this case, we'll have to do something. We need to iterate, which means to perform something again with a new hypothesis or prediction. The scientific method is an iterative process. It's a cycle. One solution can result in another problem. If the battery really was damaged and causing the clock to malfunction, what was damaging the battery? It's just a continuous cycle. However, with our results, we need to think about something else. Any other ideas?
Wait, when did you get this?
About 5 years ago.
And you hid it in the closet until your phone broke.
Yeah?
Come on, you dorkhead! The gears must be broken, or it's too dusty.
You're right. Then again, you're always right at this point.
Then again, it's never worked for you. That's why I was in there in the first place. Tell you what, I'll get us a new clock after work, and we'll see if it works then.
Okay.
Yeah, see ya. Like it?
Like it. Time check?
Mm-hmm. 9 p.m.? Yep. Phew, good. Turns out one of the gears had a huge chip. It kept getting caught up in the gears. Either way, this clock looks better on the wall anyway. I'll still keep an eye out. You better. I'm not wasting another penny on a clock today.
So it was the gears that was causing the clock to malfunction. But what broke the gears? That way, the scientific method will start all over again. So that is the end of my video project for my health science class. For my teacher, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to do this again. As always, let me know if I messed up or missed something, and I will gladly repeat it. If I managed to do this, holy moly. And now here's a message for my YouTube viewers. Wow, I cannot believe I did this in the midst of the Gaming Christmas Countdown. Whew, this was a challenge for me, and I managed to do it. So, don't worry, right after this hour we'll be recording for the 14th episode, first day, 12 days of Christmas thing. I'm super, super excited. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like a comment on the bottom. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos of me. And as always... Sorry, that was a really fast thing. It's falling. Bye!